To enable or disable Sidebar on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to Gestures. After opening Gestures you should be able to find the Sidebar option, and then in here we can easily enable the Sidebar. Here we also have the instruction that we can swipe in to show the Sidebar, so let's see if we can actually do this. So here let's actually skip through that. We have the introduction, we have some tips. Of course you can use them quite easily, but you will see that here on the right side of the phone, at least by default, we have this little bar, and we can just slide it to the middle of the phone in order to reveal it. Of course we also have some settings in here, like for example you can change apps that are going to be visible on the sidebar. You can also switch to tools and contacts, so you can have quick access to any of these things. I'm gonna also add a couple of these features in here. If you tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner, we have some additional options that you might want to check out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.